What's going on, guys? We have this question right here. It's asking find y prime, and since we have this y is equal to 2 sine inverse cos x tan inverse x, let's see what we can do. So first of all, we have to find derivative in both sides. So if I take the derivative, it's going to be y prime is equal to 2 sine inverse cos x, right? Cos x, I have to take the derivative of all things, and then here we have tan inverse x, so we have to find the derivative of this one. So before I do this one, since we have sine inverse and tan inverse, let's see what is a real derivative definition for this one. So first of all, if we have sine inverse x, the derivative of this one is going to be 1 over 1 square root of 1 minus x square. That's what we have to remember before we approach this question. Also, we have to remember that derivative of tan inverse x is equal to this derivative, right? Derivative, and it's going to be 1 over 1 plus x square. So these are the two things we have to remember before we approach this question. So first of all, we have 2 sine inverse cos x, and if you see this carefully, we don't have sine inverse x cos x, because if we have that one, that's going to be a product rule. But in this case, they have given sine inverse cos x. It means it's a chain rule. So we have to find the derivative of the outside first, then it's the inside first, right? So that's what we have to do. The other side, it's a straightforward. It's just we just have to find the derivative of tan inverse. So let's see what we can do. Since we have this one right here, so 2 sine inverse cos x. So as I mentioned here, the derivative of sine inverse x is 1 over 1 minus x square. So instead of x, we have here cos x. Therefore, I have to replace the x with cos x. So it's going to be 2 times 1 over square root of 1 minus cos square x. Then we have to find the inside derivative, this one, cos x. So derivative of cos x, also we have to remember the derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, and that's all we have to remember. And then we have to substitute tan inverse x. We know the derivative is 1 over 1 plus x square, so we can just place it. And then if we solve for this one, I will get 2 times 1 over 1 minus cos square x. Then we get the derivative of this one is minus sin x, and the other is going to be remaining the same. So this is my final answer. This is all we have to do. We don't have to simplify when they ask for finding y prime, and if they give this kind of questions. And I hope you guys understood this concept. See you next time.